2018 Acura TLX quarter mile. Car 01. All the way back in 2004, Acura launched one of its most beloved models, the third-generation TL. The new TL paired an attractive design with a powerful 270 horsepower V6, a premium interior, and an abundance of standard features at a price that significantly undercut its German competitors. But as we found in our long-term test, the front-wheel drive TL was understeered, and torque-steered way more than we would have liked. Acura's solution? The A-Spec package. It didn't give the TL any additional power, but it did include an aero kit, bigger wheels, stickier tires, and a suspension tuned by one of the engineers responsible for the first-generation NSX. It practically eliminated both torque steer and understeer, turning the front-wheel drive TL into a legitimate sports sedan. Acura's subsequent sedans, however, have struggled to recreate that same magic. The cars themselves haven't been bad, but the styling has been off, and it hasn't felt like Honda knows exactly what it wants its luxury brand to be. With the much-hated power plenum grille officially dead, Acura would like us to believe it's ready to reinvent itself. And part of that reinvention involves bringing back the A-Spec badge, this time on the TLX, the car that replaced both the TL and the TSX. The question is, though, does the A-Spec treatment turn the TLX into a legitimate sports sedan, or has it been wasted on a car that's a little too ho-hum to wear the badge? To find out, we ran a 2018 Acura TLX A-Spec through our full battery of tests to see just how competent it really is. But first, what do you get for your money? Under the hood, there's a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 that sends its 290 horsepower to all four wheels with the help of a 9-speed automatic transmission. The A-Spec package also adds 19-inch shark gray wheels, a more aggressive appearance package, a sportier suspension, heated and ventilated sports seats, faux suede seat and door inserts, metallic trim, sportier gauges, wireless charging, and a few A-Spec badges.